In last video, we have seen what are the data types in the Python and the built-in function in the Python. In this video, we are going to see what is the typecasting. So I will start with the definition, but before going to start, please like and subscribe my channel. So let's start. So the topic is typecasting. So what is the typecasting? So I will start with the standard definition, then I will break down the exact meaning of these things. So the definition, we can convert the data type value to one another data type. This conversion is called typecasting or type conversion. In a simple way, what we can say, converting the data type of one data into another data type. That is called typecasting. And the following are the various built-in function for the typecasting like int, float, string, boolean, complex. So these are the built-in typecasting function provided by the Python. So the first things we need to understand what is the meaning of typecasting. So I will show you the practical demo. So then only you will get clear idea like exactly how it's work. So let me open the browser 1 second. Yeah. Let me remove this one. See, a equals to 10. So if we check the type of the A, then you will get to know what are the data type of the A. So in the last video only we have seen how we can check the type of any variable with the help of type function. And the type function is the inbuilt function provided by the Python to check the type of any variable. So let me check the type of A. For that, type print, then inside the bracket I need to type type, type, and I want to check the type of A. So A, then click on run. See, so here you can see the A is the class int. It means the A is the data type int. So what is the meaning of typecasting? For example, typecasting means we have a different data types like int, float, complex, boolean, which is we have seen here. See, int, float, string, boolean. 1 second. Then the same for this one also. Yeah. So we have this type of data types. So the typecasting means converting one data type to another data type. For example, here you have a int data type, and if you are going to convert that int data type to another data type, that phenomenon is nothing but the typecasting. So for example, you want to convert this A. 1 second. Yeah. So here what you have did, in A variable, previously you have stored only the 10. So at that time we check the type of int, so it was the int. But this time what are you doing? You are explicitly converting the type of the variable A. So if I run this program once again, see, at that time it's showing float. So what happening exactly? So you are converting the one type of data type into another type. That things is nothing but the typecasting. I hope you are getting my point, what I'm trying to say. So as you see here, I have mentioned string. It means we can convert into string also. So let me show you how you can convert to string. In place of float, just type str. Str is nothing but the string. So let me run again. See, the class of a variable now string. So this conversion or converting one data type to another data type explicitly, it's called typecasting. So there is a one more like boolean. So to convert, see, the person who are learning Python as a first programming language. So let me know you, boolean is the value either true or false. Boolean always having two values, true and false. And it is also represented as a 0 and 1. 0 means false false, and 1 means true. So don't be confused. If it is written 0 or any value other than 0, it means there is something. It means it is a true. So keep in mind, Boolean having two conditions, either true or false. 0 represent the false and 1 represent the true. And other than 1 also, like other than 0 also, is there something? It is represent to the true only. So let me show you for the Boolean, for that type Boolean. 1 second. Next. Boolean. And run. See, data type bool, which is represent Boolean. And we have a one more inbuilt function which is complex. So let me show you the complex also. 1 second. Complex. Let me run. See, complex. So this is how we can convert the one data type to another data type. But here I have missed one thing. I will show you that also. I'm sorry for that. Let me show you one more point. Print. I want to print value of A also. Like when we converting the one type of data type to another data type, then what will be affect on the original things. So see, originally it was 10. And if I'm converting into the complex, then how it will show. So let me run this one. See, 10 plus 0z. See, here we are providing only the 10. Because of that only, it is taking additional 0z. And let me show you for float. Float. See, for float, it's showing 10.0. Because we know float is the value who containing the decimal part also. Then let me show you for the string str. Then let me run. See, for string only it's showing 10 only, but data type is changing to str. So this is the entire concept behind the typecasting. So I hope it is a very easy concept. Most of people maybe think why we need these things, why it is required. So I will show you one real-time example. 1 second. If you remember, previously we have did one program where we have taken input, which is inbuilt function provided by the 1 second. Input. Here we have written some message like enter your number. So I will show you real-time example why we need the typecasting, because in many places we are facing some issues. So see, yeah, here we have written one, we have taken one input function, which is inbuilt function provided by the Python only. And after that, I want to print. What I want to print? I want to print that particular variable. And I also want to print the type of that particular variable. Type of that particular variable. For example, A only. So let me show you. Let me run. 1 second. Let me remove this one. Yeah. Run. See. It's showing enter your number. Even I have not entered any number. At that time also, it's showing the data type for the A as a string only. Why? That is a one question. But just keep aside this one. Let me show you one thing. For example, I'm entering 5. Then run. See, enter your number. I have entered 5. It is printing 5 only here. And the class, or you can say data type, it's showing string. So the question is why? Because we all know 5 is the integer. Then it has to be shown int, not str. So the problem is that the Python inbuilt function, which is input, it is by default going to be take string value only. So even if you are entering the any float, number, complex, anything, it will consider the string only. So the how it will affect our program. For example, here you have written one more thing. For example, b equals to 10, and here you want to perform some mathematical operation, this kind of things. And if it and we know the b is the integer type because we have stored the value 10. So b is the integer type which is storing the value 10, and a is the string type because we are taking the value for the a from with the help of input function, and the Python inbuilt input function always consider the input in the string format by default. So the what we are trying to do, we are trying to add one integer with the string value. So it is not possible to add the integer with the string value. At that time, we will get some unwanted result. And one more thing, let me print the type of b also, so you will get clear idea. One second. B. Let me run. Say, type error can only concatenate string, not int. So the mismatch is happen. Like if you want to do some addition, and if you want to, or you want to perform some mathematical operation, so the type of the value should be same. Like you cannot perform any operation with the addition arithmetic operation with the string things, because they are different data types. Because if you want to perform any mathematical operation, then it should be string only, sorry, integer only. So to avoid such type of problem, we have a typecasting functionality. So what we can do, see, take this entire in the round bracket, and whatever value is coming, simply convert into the int. That's it. Now let me run again. See, it's saying enter your number. So previously we have given 5 only, and here I have given 10, so it's totally showing. So combined result is coming 15. Let me change from here. For example, I want 10. Run. See, 20. And the data type for the both int and int. So this is the one of the example where we can use the typecasting. So I hope you have get clear idea what is the typecasting and why we need typecasting, and what the scenario if we are not going to use the typecasting thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.